There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Ah, nice one. Here's your payment. Okay, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like. Oh, you idiots! One of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Okay, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the train. Get out of here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Nice one. Here's the extra money.
Get your ass down to the phones for more missions.
A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a shipment hidden in a bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway nearest this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a test. Too slow, idiot.
Okay, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions.
This is my car now. Nice car. I'll take it.
Residents of the local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block.
find your car. Get out.
Great! Now, get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash.